Well, today marks a new era for the California Supreme Court. A new justice is bringing a different level of representation and focus to the state's legal landscape. Fox 40's Sincere Tonsil is here with the historic swearing in of Justice Patricia Guerrero. Sincere.
Nikki, with the addition of Justice Guerrero, California now has its first Latina sitting on its high court.
Against all enemies.
Against all enemies.
Foreign and domestic.
Foreign and domestic.
That I bear true faith and allegiance.
That I have bear true faith and allegiance.
To the same.
To the same.
That I take this obligation freely.
That I take this obligation freely.
Without any mental reservation.
Without any mental reservation.
Or purpose of evasion.
Or purpose of evasion.
And that I will well and faithfully discharge.
And that I will well and faithfully discharge.
The duties upon which I'm about to enter.
The duties upon which I'm about to enter.
Congratulations.
A moment of celebration, 50 years in the making for Patricia Guerrero. Since 2017, she's been serving the state in Division 1 of District 4 of the California Court of Appeals. In addition to having been a partner in a law firm and an assistant U.S. attorney, she's a mother of two who's also the child of immigrant parents from Mexico who settled in the Imperial Valley. All of that giving her the diversity of perspective many experts say is needed for all Californians to be served best. Speaking after today's ceremony, she said she was honored and humbled to be ascending to the court thanks to what her family has done for her.
I never would have dreamed that I would be here today, surrounded by all of you. As I look at this audience and reflect on what today means and how I got here, one thing is clear to me. I did not get here alone. I am here because of the courage, the sacrifices, and the struggles of my parents and my grandparents. They came to this country knowing that it would not be easy for them. But like so many others, they came here with hope. Hope of a brighter future for their children. The pursuit, as was stated, of the American dream.
This nomination represents the governor's commitment to diversity for the court, having also appointed and nominated the first openly LGBTQ justice. Nikki.
Sincere, thank you.